Hey everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this gorgeous red 1968 Chevy Camaro SS. Red paint is beautiful on here. This car is powered by a freshly built 383. Look how nice it is in here. Probably about 2,500 miles on there. Great set of headers, Wideland high rise, Holly performance carb, real clean inside here, painted right, frame nice, all your core is good, all your belts and hoses are fresh. Some still have the stickers on them. Real clean underneath the hood. This thing scoots. We're gonna take it for a little spin in a second, but really nice. SS hood, the way it should be. Your front chrome is great. Your marker lights are all working properly. All your badging is right, and your lower valance is really nice. Badged out at a 350. Factory rally wheels. No paint flaws, lower chrome, and all your glass around the car and moldings are good. It's got dual sport mirrors. Seems to have all original body panels on here. Look how straight, get down at an angle. Real nice. That line, that's crisp line, all the way across, right the way it should be. Rear bumper, good shape. Chrome is all good. All your moldings are done right. Real clean in the trunk. Factory welds. All your chrome around the rear glass is good. Look how clean and straight this thing is. And the paint just lies beautiful on here. All your chrome all the way throughout, all nice and stuff. Again, gaps out the way it should. Great stance on this thing. Beautiful, beautiful car. You really can't find any paint flaws. Interior's in real good shape. Seat belt's intact in the rear. Rear deck good, and your, of course, dome lights working good. All your seat belts in front are good. Real clean inside everywhere. $71,282 on the odometer, but the whole car's been pretty much done. The engine's probably got right around 2,500. Dash is good. It's a manual 4-speed Muncie transmission. Oh, my thing fell down. Hold on. I need to get that back up, or we can't go for a ride. Hold on, I'm putting you folks down for a second. Okay, it's ready. All right, let's fire her up real quick first. Oh yeah, great dual exhaust. This car's got a 12-bolt rear end posi. Gauges are working. Gas gauge is not working. Got a nice cam in here. Sounds like a nice big cam. Got traction bars. Nice and clean underneath there too, folks. Car sounds real healthy. Stay on there. Don't fall on me yet. Located in Addison, Illinois. just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 190 cars in stock. All our pricing, descriptions, videos is all on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. I'll give you my number in a minute because we also have special financing if you got good credit up to 180 months with only 10% down. You gotta have good credit to qualify. This thing sounds great. All right. We also have shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured to your front door, open and enclosed. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Now let's hear what this thing is like so you don't have to listen to me. This one scoots. Clutch feels great. No funky noises. I got a car coming, so let it back up. Camaros weren't known for the greatest turning ratio. At least back then. Real good. I feel a little pulling from the braking onto the left, but that's nothing major. I hear no funky noises. It's a real nice car. Drives out well. Great sound, great suspension. Clutch feels good. Like us on Facebook, MGM Classic Cars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Live TV. Talk to you soon.